Elisha Walters, take one. My name is Elisha Walters. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm on my final year, just finished, and I did my placement at Severn Trent Water, and I was a project delivery engineer. So I was working in an engineering industry. It's to do with infrastructure, so the water industry, and more so about the pipeline, so the engineering behind that. So I worked within the project delivery team. So we were overseeing the designers, so I had to learn about the different designs and the design processes, and more so the actual project side of things rather than the theory-based things that were at uni. But I applied the theory that I learned at uni and used it within my placement. So my typical day was a morning meeting with my individual team, and we do a 5-minute quiz every day. It was super fun, and we talk about what we're going to go through today, or if we have any problems or anything, issues we want to raise with our manager. And then we would set on our own projects. We all had our individual projects to work on, and we'd have project meetings throughout the day. So sometimes it'd be very meeting packed, sometimes I'll be working on different individual pieces of work, so it might be designs or cost finances, or it might be going to site. I was on site about 50% of the time as well. One thing that surprised me is the responsibility they give you and they trust. They do expect you to do your work, and they do actually believe that you can do it, and they don't just give you, make the teas and do the tea round, and they actually make you do the work, and they actually give you responsibility, which is really fun, and it's nice to know that your manager trusts you. I really think being on a placement really helps your graduate employability. You learn so many skills that you can't learn while you're at uni, such as being in the actual engineering industry or your industry of choice for your placement. You learn business skills and professional skills that you wouldn't have the opportunity to develop at university. So a future employer sees that, and they know that you've done a year or however long you've been in a placement, and they know that you've had that experience in the real industry world. I think the best part is getting out into the real world for a little bit, and it helps you solidify you want to do your job in that industry. So it helps you realise that, yeah, this is something I want to do, and this excites me in this area. And it's not just about sitting in classrooms, and you get to communicate and be in teams. And the best part is the social and the professional side, and also just the boost you get from wanting to work in the industry.